Okay, got
it. Woo! Nice. She got it.
Can.
She got the can.
Right.
Everyone's excited. Woo! This is going on Facebook.
My second shot. I gotta hit something already.
Nicely done. Let's see if you can load the gun now.
Yeah, right. That was too easy. Let's go even further. Hold on.
There you go. Oh, almost.
Almost. Is there is there a trick to it?
Yeah, it's called strength. Keep going. There you go.
I thought it was strong. I can't do it. I quit.
Try it this way. You can get it on this side of your knee. And we just keep bending.
Oh, see, I don't have that. Alright, I'm gonna try more time and then it's Allison's turn. Sweet. Alright, it's Allison's turn. Okay.
Get drunk and play with guns. That's what this party is
where's
about.
Where's my PBR? Against my leg. I missed the tutorial, so...
Hey, Matt, can you give a tutorial?
First things first, you gotta cock it. Always make sure the safety's on, which it is. That's all.
Okay.
It's like snapping a piece of wood over your knee.
It's really hard to keep it steady.
Oh, nice. You're on my team.
So basically, I should... That seems to be the shot that we have to go for. Yeah.
Now she's tired. She needs a nap.
And a beer.
And a beer. Who's got the PBRs?
There's only one left in that whole 30.
Really? Wow. We killed it.
Alright, where's another one?
Basically in line with that one, but further back, they're kind of suspended on that mesh fence. You can't really see the fence. But between those two big trees, on the way down to that tree that's fallen.
I forgot it was so close. I forgot it was this money.
Whoa! She got it. You are dangerous.
Knocked it off.
You Jersey girls, man.
This is really exciting. Oh, is this safety?
Oh.
Now you have to do it the hard way.
Yeah, now you have to do it the hard way.
Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Oh. See, I'd kill somebody. See, now it's like right at me, thanks.
The assassin.
It's a bummer. Try the hubcap now. Okay.
When you shoot the hubcap, aim a little higher.
That's what I tried to do, but...
Because it drops by that
went
point.
into the water.
And just be aware of where it hits. That way you can compensate the next time.
Okay. All the otters. All of a sudden an otter.
If you see an otter, shoot it.
This is really hard now. My arm's shaking. We can rest on the deck, no?
You can lean up against this.
He's a pro.
That zombie would have killed you by now.
It hit something.
It hit something, but like I said before, it's got to hit something.
Like metal.
And like a John Deere hat.
Anybody else?
Go for it, Joe.
Come on, Joe, you can do it.
I want a wood
You
block.
can do it. I'll go down and get it. I knocked it off.
How do I turn the safety on?
There's a rewind button on the tutorial. It's okay.
Flips it and then it just takes a little bit of oomph to bring it all the way back.
You can always use this as the rest too. Use those muscles.
I'll do it by the end of the day.
Like I'll put the stock against my hip That way I
Yeah,
have
that's
some
leverage.
You can even get both hands up here.
Okay, I'll try that next time. And then head and skirt, I remember that.
Head goes in first.
And
She
here?
said.
Flush.
Head first, skirt flush.
See, Skyline gets you drunk. I get you shooting guns. It's a little different up here.
It's better up here.
Just waiting for the block.
I think this alone makes me want to buy a house up here so I can do this all day.
Yeah? Well, you end up doing this all day. Trust me on this.
I can see it. I might be here all day.
I think I can hit the hubcap.
Yeah.
I think I
I'm
actually
trying
might...
for it next time properly.
we might have to try the other pellets for the hubcap. That way you get more velocity out of it.
The sonic ones?
Yeah.
Ooh, the ones that make the sound?
Yeah, because that's how I shot it.
What's blocking this thing?
It's your eyesight. You're too close. Back up a little bit.
Aha!
The zombies are coming. Nice!
Nice. We all did that one.
Yay!
Safety.
Okay,
Now I'm
see.
nervous.
Almost. Use both hands.
Try going up close to the top of the gun. That way you have more leverage.
Can't use both hands, it's gonna fly off.
Oh, you gotta
Okay.
you gotta pop it again.
The popping part's easy.
Yeah.
It used to not be easy. It's actually I oiled it to make it. Before we had bruises on our knees.
I thought I
What's
was.
this? That's about
This
it.
is my workout.
Where's the next target?
Now you gotta wonder like.
Just try for the
hubcap.
Where's this hubcap you're talking
It's leaning against that
the
log.
tree way down by the lake.
You see that long log? That long tree that fell
Oh,
down?
like,
It's
thinking.
leaning against it.
Now when you
Or
fire,
over there's like a wood board like posted on the tree.
Oh, okay. I'll
Go
try
do
the
that one.
hubcap.
when you fire, try to be aware of where you hit. That way you know how to compensate afterwards.
Wind resistance.
Nothing's not very steady.
It is blowing to the right a little bit.
To the right,
Look
so
at the
I should
leaves.
aim more left.
You can scooch it over a little bit to the left. Yeah, no, to the right. That is.
Safety.
You were all ready. You had it
I
there.
had it.
Too high up.
Too high.
Yeah,
You saw where it went?
yeah. It was too high up. You gotta drop it down a little bit. Chicks with guns.
Chicks with guns. It's dangerous.
Doesn't get any better than that. Only at my wedding.
I'm like hitting this, like that's gonna shoot it. Yeah.
It's like, hell yeah.
I'll get it eventually.
Can I bump one off? You have to get it from the car. Yeah, it's off.
You said aim higher?
Slightly, not too much. Did you see where it went?
No.
This one's hard to see because it goes so fast. When it goes
Yeah.
in the water, it barely makes a ripple.
Might have gone in the water. Safety.
I need to be reminded of that.